classmates natin all over the world. Ayun, patype nga ng number 1. If andito ka ngayon, ayun, patype number 1. Ayun, number 1. Wow, sobrang dami. And I know guys, you're all excited, right? Tama ba? Wow, grabe oh. Talagang totok na totok. Yung iba, kahit 30 minutes pa lang kanina yung waiting time, naka-tune in agad. Imagine nyo po, 30 minutes pa lang kanina, halos 100 na agad. Kaya sobrang excited na sa event ngayon. Ayun, thank you so much sa mga nag-type. And okay lang po ba? Pa-type dito kung saang country ka right now. Ayun. Ayun, pa-type kung saang country ka right now. We have here from, wow, grabe ang bilis mag-type. We have from the Philippines, ayun, we have from KSA, andito din from Kuwait, Saudi Arabia, we have from, meron tayo sa Qatar, sa KSA, Jubail, Saudi, Singapore, wow, we have also from Cyprus, ayun, Canada, grabe, nakaka-overwhelmed. Sobrang dami natin ngayon, guys. Nakikita niyo po ba? We are 365 and counting. O, 368 na ngayon. Wow! Grabe! Kahit ako na-excite eh. No? Nakaka-excite talaga. Super overwhelming. And are you ready to take the first step toward your financial freedom? And of course, since you're all ready, the best part po dito sa event natin ngayon, whether you're a complete beginner or someone curious about the world of Forex trading, this event is just designed for you. So, the best part po dito, baguhan ka man or experience sa trading, para sa iyo ang event na to, whether you're just starting out or leveling up your skills. So, the best part din dito po guys, you will discover powerful strategies to help you trade smarter. Plus, the best part, we will give you a massive surprise. So that's why, wag kang mag-out in the middle of the meeting. Diba? Much better kung malakas sana yung ating internet connection. Okay? Kasi at the middle of the Zoom, kapag naka-out ka, kasi ilalak na namin yung meeting in the middle sa Zoom. So kapag naka-out ka, baka mahirapan ka nang mag-in. Okay? So okay ba tayo doon? Okay. Again, before I forget, my name is Marge. I'm Coach Marge and I am your host for tonight. So, of course, kung excited kayo, ako din excited din ako. And also, I acknowledge all the coaches here. Now, we have here Coach JL, Coach Jimro, Coach Star, Coach Jedaline, Angel, we have here Grinchill, David, Michelle, we have Coach Jade. Ayun, palakpakan naman natin yung ating coaches. And also we have here Coach MJ. And of course, our founder, Coach Nars Paraguya. Ayun, daming coaches natin, no? Yun, palakpakan natin yan, guys. Kasi ito po yung mga coaches and mentors natin na mag-guide po sa ating community. And of course, before I forget, I would like to acknowledge our VIPs. Ayun, ito po yung mga nag-level up. Diba? Gustong mag-level up. Ito po yung mga enrollees natin sa ating community. Pa-type nga number 1 if you are a VIP. Or enrollees na. Ayun, dami nila. Ito yung mga classmates natin na nag-e-enjoy na sa education and tools ng ating community. Ayun, classmates! Gusto nyo pa ba ng more? Gusto nyo pa ba ng more? Ayun! Don't worry because we will give you more tonight. Ayun. And of course, for the non-VIPs, yung mga guests natin for tonight, type number 2. If you are a guest or non-VIP, ayun, we have here, thank you so much, Mang Jose. Okay, ang dami din nila. This might be the sign that you've been waiting for. Okay, to level up your skills with the guidance of our coaches and of course, our community tools. Okay, without further ado, to give the opening remarks, let's all welcome one of our trusted mentors in our Forex community. Let's get ready to be inspired as he sets the tone for an exciting and impactful event ahead. Help me welcome Coach MJ Canoy.
Ayan. Thank you, Coach Marge. All right. Hello, everyone. Maraming salamat po sa lahat nandito. I'd like to acknowledge everyone, all the partners and coaches, lalong-lalo na sa founder natin. We have Coach Nars. Palakpakan naman po natin, guys. Wow, grabe. Parami tayo ng parami. Pabuti natin ng 500 to, guys. Wow, it's really amazing. God is good, no? Palakpakan natin si Lord for really making this happen. And it's really overwhelming kasi we just started, wala pa tayong 1 year. Can you just imagine? Ako nga, sa sarili ko, I can say, last March lang talaga ako nag-commit to really, alam mo yun, to really give time to this community and to this journey. And sa lahat ng andito, each one of you, we are truly grateful coming from our hearts sa mga coaches, sa mga affiliates, sa lahat, as in, maraming salamat po sa suporta, maraming salamat for being very patient, no, na talagang you're always with us. And because of that, we just wanna give you more. And dun po ako very blessed kasi yung founder natin, si Coach Nars, if you just see his heart, kung nakikita niyo lang yung puso at isipan niya, alam nyo, he's thinking of you every single day. He's thinking of us every single day. Kasi gusto niya lahat talaga kumita. Gusto niya lahat maging profitable. Though hindi maiiwasan na masunugan, ganun talaga kasi wala namang 101% sa trading. But alam mo, pag yung vision ng founder, alam mo, pag yung heart ng founder is to really help, ang gusto lang talaga is lahat matulungan. And this is just the beginning, guys. Again, this is just the beginning. Wala pa tayong 1 year sa community. Ako, I consider myself as 3 months, 4 months pa siguro kasi tsaka lang ako nag-commit. But eto na yung nangyayari. 400 plus attendees. It's really, really amazing. Time will come dito. Lalabas na yung mga master traders sa batch na to. And with that, you just look forward. Ang daming posibleng mangyari this 2025. Kaya stay until the end kasi marami tayong pasabog. Again, congratulations and welcome everyone. Balik ko na kay Coach Marge. Oh, sorry. Sorry guys, nakalimutan ko sa sobrang excited ko ngayon. I just wanna share as well guys, yung testimony ng isang classmate natin from abroad, no, na talagang kumita din, no? So excited ba kayo? Actually, sa sobrang dami, hindi na namin maisa-isa. Ang daming nagpadala ng videos. Pero guys, wag po sana kayong magtampo ha kung hindi namin kayo nasama dito sa event kasi kukulangin talaga yung oras. So, may napili lang po kaming dalawa. Don't worry, we're gonna have more videos soon to be launched sa mga testimonies natin. So, here you go guys. Share screen ko lang.
MJ at Coach Nars. Ako pala si Desiree Ibanez, isang OFW dito sa bansang Kuwait for 9 years. Baguhan po ako dito sa community na to at sa naumpisahan ko noong nag-live trading noong July 2. Tapos, after 3 days, nagka-profit ako ng $243 at nag-withdraw din ako kanina lang din ng $177. Masaya ang puso ko dahil sa trading na to at ang masasabi ko lang tungkol sa pag-trade, madali lang naman pag natutunan mo talagang at kailangan mo talagang aralin. At syempre, may puhunan din para kikita din tayo. Malaking tulong to sa akin bilang isang ina at about naman sa community. Nagkakaroon ako ng bagong kaibigan, lalo na kay Coach MJ kahit hindi kami kilala. Sabi kong siyang naggagabay sa akin kung paano talaga kumita dito sa trading na to. And it's God to help. I hope na sa pamamagitan na to, na pag-trade na to, makauwi na ako sa bansa natin para makasama ko naman ang aking pamilya na walang alalahanin tungkol sa pang-araw-araw na pangangailangan. Maraming salamat po sa inyo lahat, lalo na kay Coach, sa mga coaches, to all members. God bless us all.
Hello guys.
Ayun. Hello, mic check, mic check. Okay, change ko muna yung aking spotlight. Ayun, we're all inspired by classmate Desiree. Ayun, no? So, sino dito yung mga momshies na nasa bahay, no? Ang sarap ng feeling kapag uuwi ka na ng... Ang sarap din sa feeling na kahit na housewife ka, no? Na kumikita ka din, di ba? Ayun, nag-hello. Hello talaga. Anyway, before we start, guys, meron akong pa-icebreaker. Okay ba yun? Para chill muna. Grabe naman. Okay, may pa-icebreaker ako. Sobrang generous ng ating founder kasi meron po tayong konting reward. Okay? Okay ba? Okay, ito pabilisan ng kamay. Okay, meron akong question sa inyo guys. Kung sino yung unang makasagot, meron po tayong cash prize. O diba? Parang yung iba nag-on cam agad eh. Na-excite agad eh. Game. Okay, pa-type nga ng game. Kung you are andito, okay? Kapag game na. Ayun, game. Okay. Here it is. Ada. Okay. Okay, the question is, how much is the daily traded volume in the Forex market? Again, how much is the daily traded volume in the Forex market? Okay, ayun. Sige pa, pwede pang mag-type yung iba, walang problema. Ayun, okay, according to our tech team, the winner is Empoy. Kung ikaw yan, mag-open cam ka kung sino ka man. Okay, search nga natin Empoy kung legit ba to si Sir Empoy. Ayun, nag-open cam. Teka lang, spotlight natin. Ayun, hi Sir Empoy. Congratulations. Okay, message lang po sa amin yung iyong number para sa iyong prize. Ayun. Sir Empoy, before that, question ko po, saang country ka right now? Ayun, teka lang po. Okay. Pwede ka pong mag-unmute, sir. Ayun.
Ano po? KSA po.
KSA. Ayun, KSA.
From Saudi.
Saudi, ayun. Congratulations, Sir Empoy. Grabe no, naka-tune in lang. May pa-Gcash agad. Sana all. Sana all, no? Okay, anyway, if you are inspired by our last testimony, Miss Desiree, right now, let's hear another amazing testimonies, this time from Japan. So, isa siya sa ating classmate, enjoying the tools of our community. And let's all listen to his inspiring story. Roll VTR.
Hello guys. Good day and God bless to everyone. Ako nga pala si Honor, OFW dito sa Japan. Tsaka one month old pa lang ako sa Iconic Academy. Salamat pala sa opportunity. Sir Nars kasi nakilala ko siya. And natutunan ko kung paano mag-trade ng Forex. Wala kasi akong idea kung paano mag-trade sa mga Forex. Although naririnig ko siya. Yung community is totoong community siya. Hindi siya community ng mga scam kasi marami na rin akong nasarian na community pero maya-maya nagko-close yung community na yun. Nawawala yung pera. Ayun, so far so good sa isang buwan. Sa isang buwan ko, withdraw na ako itong basis. Unang withdraw ko is $400. Second is $300. Pang tatlo is $70. 70 lang siya. Tapos nag-withdraw ulit ako. Nag-withdraw ako ng apat na $100. And then yung pang lima is $700. Kinita ko lang yun sa 2 days. And then Sunday, nakapag-gain ako ng halos 1,000 USD. And then nag-withdraw ako ng $700. Yun po yung pinakamalaking withdraw ko sa span of 2 days. Pagkasabi ko lang sa mga kasama kong nabaguhan, sa mga newbie, kagaya ng sinasabi ng mga professional traders, master the chart. Na pwede nyo namang hingiin yung link sa chart mastery sa mga coaches yan. may link agad sa'yo na ibibigay na Church Mastery. Pag na-click mo yun, lalabas yung mga previous na upload nila sa mga YouTube channel nila. Ang nagustuhan ko talaga na isang magaling magturo dyan si Coach MG. Doon talaga akong natuto kung paano gamitin yung mobile limit, fill limit. Kayo din ma'am, shout out sa'yo. Salamat. Yun lang. God bless to all.
Ayun, nakaka-inspire talaga, no? Na-inspire ba yung lahat ng andito? Guys, newbie yun ah. Take note, newbie po yun si Sir Honor. Grabe, no? Ang laki. Grabe, ang laki ng income niya. Ayun, thank you so much, Sir Honor, sa napakagandang testimony mo. Ayun, sana all talaga. Napapasana all yung iba. And now, okay, without further ado, the moment that we've all been waiting for, the highlight of today's event. Get ready to learn, be inspired, and take your trading journey to the next level. Let me introduce to you the brains and the vision behind the Pinoy traders community. Let's give a warm welcome to Coach Nars Paraguya.
Woo! Grabe. Grabe, Coach Marge. Thank you so much. Good evening, good morning, good afternoon, everyone. Kung saan man kayo sa mundo, let me just pin myself here. All right, welcome po lahat. Welcome, 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 guys. You made this event amazing. Exactly 500 po tayo. Can I ask the tech team to picture 500? Guys, tamang-tama pumasok kayo. Because if I'm not mistaken, my Zoom is only limit for 500 participants. Okay? So, nandito kayo, ibig sabihin, this is for you. Okay? So, guys, can you do me a favor? I'm not making this long. I-share ko lang kung paano ako makatulong sa inyo dito sa Forex journey ninyo. And then magbibigay ako ng good news, big good news or great news for both VIPs and non-VIPs. But before that, I would like to acknowledge yung mga kasama kong co-coaches ko dito sa community. Nandyan sila Coach Jim, Coach JL, Engineer Greenchill, Engineer Angel, Coach Jed, Coach Jess, help me guys, Coach Star, at marami pang iba. Of course, special mention na rin to Coach MJ, Coach David also. Hello bro. Coach Michelle. Yes, welcome. And then special mention na rin kay Coach MJ and Coach Marge. Pwede ba palapakan natin sila for helping me from the conceive of this very momentous event and then hanggang ngayon. So I really appreciate that team. I really appreciate what I'm doing. Sa mga nag-enroll, sa mga VIPs, thank you so much for trusting us. Sa mga part ng Pinoy Traders Community and sa mga part ng Kabayan Traders Community, sa inyong lahat, give yourself a round of applause. Palapakan niyo yung sarili ninyo kasi close na tayo. Anong ibig sabihin ng close na tayo? Yung ibang gusto pumasok, hindi na sila pwede makapasok because the Zoom is already closed. Okay? So guys, listen. Can you do me a favor? I like the fact that you are very interacting. Can you do me a favor, guys, and the tech team? I would like to suggest kung sino yung pinaka-interactive talaga na nandito. I would like to humbly ask the tech team, can you help me choose 3 participants for tonight? Kasama dun yung nanalo kanina, mayroon akong special reward sa'yo. Special bonus sa'yo yung nanalo sa game kanina. At saka yung 3 pinaka-participative talaga sa group chat. Group chat na lang guys kasi para hindi magkagulo sa audio. The tech team will choose 3 and then after that may ibibigay ako na malaking premyo po para sa inyo. Right after the event magbibigay ako. All right? Guys, are you ready? Come on, come on. I would like to see some reactions, violent reactions. If you guys ready of what we're about to do this afternoon, this evening, or kung saan ka man ngayon, Are you guys ready? Alright, can you show my screen? Nakikita ba yung screen ko? Yes, everyone's ready? Okay, welcome po. Welcome lahat. I will not hold long. I will just go straight to the point and then I will give it to you kung what you will do. Alright? So I think we are all set here. Everyone is all set. Okay. Okay. Guys, welcome. Success is not for everyone. Do you agree with me? This is only for those who are willing. Now, my question for you tonight is, who among you here are willing? Drop number 5 on the chat box if you are willing. Why we are doing this one? Bakit natin to ginagawa? Kasi po, naniniwala ako na ang Filipino po is matatalino. Sino dito naniniwala na ang Filipino matatalino? Naniniwala ako. So the vision of our community that to see every Filipino equipped with the right financial mindset and skills to rise above poverty. Maaahon lang tayo sa kahirapan. Build income confidently and enjoy a life of purpose and abundance. Sinong gusto ng ganyan? Guys, I remember exactly. Kung okay lang ba, can I share my personal story? Backstory ko lang konti. I remember exactly last month of May. I was in the bottom rack kasi galing ako sa bankruptcy. Yung negosyo ko na bankrupt. So month of May exactly, naubos na yung pera namin after we sold our 2 cars and 1 house. Hindi ko alam kung how can I move forward with my financial life. Kahit pang tuition ng anak ko at that time, because May, di ba, enrollment na. Hindi ko pa sigurado kung may enroll ko ba sila. Exactly, guys, last year. Exactly last year. But thank God because of this Forex industry, no, na binigay sa akin ni Lord. Guys, grabe, ang bilis. 3 months, nagkaroon ako ng bumalik sa 6-digit yung income ko per month. December, bumalik kami ng brand new Mitsubishi Montero Sport. And ngayon, kung magkano yung income ko dati sa business ko, mas malaki pa yung kinita ko ngayon dahil sa industry na ito. I would like to congratulate for Ma'am Desiree and Sir Honor for their testimony. I honor their testimony sarili. Imagine niyo, if you do some mental calculation, nagbilo siya 400, 100, 70, 700, tapos kung you do like calculation, is just, he is earning 2,000 USD in 1 month. Sino nag-calculate nun? Sa tingin ninyo, sige nga, may special promo, may special reward. Sino kaya? But all those things, glory to God. Kay Lord talaga ito. Kaya lang isi-share ko sa inyo ngayon. Kaya lang, this is not for everyone. This is not everyone are willing. Not everyone are willing to pay the price. Hindi lahat. But as long as you are willing. Almost, tama si Glenn. Almost 2K sideline lang. I'm sure nandito si Sir Honor. Ilang oras kaya siya nagtitrade sa isang araw? Maybe 2 hours a day? Not bad. Maybe 1 hour a day? Not bad. Alright? But to continue, guys, why people hesitate to start forex trading? Kaya ako, tuwang-tuwa ako sa inyo kasi nandito kayo. Ibig sabihin, hindi kayo nag-hesitate. Pero why other people hesitate to start forex trading? Let me just give you some idea. Bakit po nag-hesitate yung mga tao mag-start sa forex trading? Number 1, lack of knowledge. Hindi natin alam paano mag-start, saan mag-start, kung paano ba ito, how it works. So naguguluhan tayo, hindi natin alam. Tama? Agree? Agree? Lack of knowledge, lack education. I don't know where to start. Number 2, baka limited yung time ko. Wala akong time, busy. Yeah. Please understand that all here, most here are OFWs. I salute you for being OFW and risking your life to go to other countries and to be a breadwinner for your family. Congratulations. I salute you and I appreciate you for that. Kaya I understand may iba may 2 trabaho, 3 trabaho, very limited yung time nila. But as you notice guys, yung 2 nag-testimony na yun, lahat OFW. Okay, I'll just give you time. Kung makukuha mo itong Forex, alam niyo ba na ako nagtitrade ako? Ako nagtitrade ako. Not more than 30 minutes a day. Ulitin ko, I trade not more than 30 minutes a day. Kung matagal na kayo sa mga GC, alam niyo man consistently every day. Sometimes twice a day, sometimes 3 times a day nagpo-post ako sa result ko sa trade. So ganun lang ang kailangan para makapag-trade kayo. Kaya lang at first para aralin, konting commitment lang, konting adjustment lang. Okay? So what else? Bakit yung tao hesitate? Kasi they believe that it requires big capital. Akala nila na malaki yung capital. Technically, to trade para sa isang broker, ang recommendation ko is only 100 USD. Only 100 USD to start. And the knowledge and skills na makukuha mo. So, hindi siya talaga gano'n. Guys, natutuwa ako because when I started this one last year, sabi ko, bro, magkano capital dyan? It seems that malaking cap. Akala ko talaga 200,000 para makapag-start. Kasi I'm an entrepreneur. Kagagaling ko nga na bankrupt na yung business ko. So, akala ko malaki. But guys, good news. You only need 100 USD to start. Okay? So, what else? Baka scam kasi Forex sometimes and crypto related to scam. Tama? Ako na-scam din ako. And not really good news for the community. 70%, 80% dumaan sa scam. Guys, the best way na hindi kayo may scam, I'll give you advice. The best way na hindi kayo may scam is una, aralin natin itong Forex trading. Aralin. Kasi wala tayong idea. So whatever they told us, isasangayon tayo. Madali na tayo mapaikot kasi hindi natin alam. But this time, may magtuturo, aralin mo, hindi ka na mapapaikot. Kasi alam mo naman, kapag mag-withdraw, withdraw ka agad. Dapat mag-withdraw, wala nang hihingiin. No question asked. If you di ba sabi ka kanina, nakapag-withdraw na si Desiree, nakapag-withdraw na si anytime mag-withdraw ka, walang hihingin na ng pera. That's number 1. Para hindi ka may scam, aralin mo. Number 2, huwag kang mag-invest sa ibang tao. Sure yan. 70%, 80%. Huwag kang mag-invest. Saan ka mag-invest? Mag-invest ka sa sarili mo. You trade on yourself. Sa community natin, guys, walang sasabay sa trade, walang magpapatrade ng nag-i-invest sa iba. Kaya if sino man dito sa mga coaches or even ako that asking you to invest in my trade, that's not us. That's not me. Baka poser ho yan. I never asked kasi mahirap mag-trade kung hindi ko sarili kong pera. Mas mataas yung pera. I've been there. No? I've been managed a trade for 7 figures with some people. So mahirap. Pero ang pinaka para hindi talaga kayo ma-scam, huwag niyong ibigay yung pera niyo sa iba. Aralin ang trading tapos trade for yourself. At least if you lose, you learn and you can move forward at you can learn, di ba? So tama, agree. So third is fear. Kanina may nagsabi fear. Okay, fear. Fear of failure, making mistake, natatakot. Guys, fear is the number 1 enemy of success. And the best way to eliminate fear is to be confident in trading. Aralin mo rin. Okay, aralin mo rin. Okay, move na tayo sa scam, move na. Okay, solution ang pinag-uusapan natin dito, hindi problema. Okay, move na tayo. So kaya gusto ko mag-over-deliver talaga. Gusto kong turuan ng tama ang mga Filipino. Kasi guys, would you agree with me? Ito pa, lack of mentorship and lack of support. Okay, this time ay susolve na natin lahat ito. Guys, would you agree with me that in this generation, in this time, it's so easy to make money? Yes or no? Would you agree with me? Alam niyo ba na kung I'm sorry for that. I would humbly say, not to brag but to inspire, na kumikita ko ng almost 7 digit na sa bahay lang ako. Because I want to have a quality life. At ituturo ko ito sa iyo kasi para yung mga OFWs, darating yung time pwede na kayong mag-for good. So madali lang. Kailangan lang natin, someone will teach us how to do this one. And eto na yung community na ito. So guys, these are some of the community's result this week lang, to show it to you that our community is, the results speaks for itself. This week lang to guys, may kumita ng 35 USD. Pero this is one day. 35 USD, not bad. May kumita ng, tingnan nyo yung date, July 5, June 5. Okay, so 2 days ago, may kumita ng 95 USD, isang araw. Okay, so may kumita ng 110 USD. Another day is done, busy to work and learn. 2 to 3 hours after work sa pagtitrade. At nagkawita additional 100, may kumita ng 32. May kumita ng 100 USD in one day at nakapag-withdraw na. May kumita ng 104 at nagpasalamat siya sa mga coaches. Okay. May nag-withdraw ng 5,000 or I think this is bro owner kanina yung testimony. Congratulate. Keep winning, my brother. Okay. May nag-withdraw ng 67,000. This is Coach David. Okay. Okay lang ba? May nag-withdraw ng June 4. Coach MJ, I'm sorry. Forgive me. 17,000, 26,000, and 22,000 guys in just one day. Kung paano namin to ginagawa, ituturo namin sa inyo. Okay. We will do something that we never done before. Gagawa kami ngayon ng isang bagay na hindi pa namin gagawa sa community. And I know that's the reason why you are here. Okay. Who's excited? Who's ready? Kasi kanina introduction lang yun eh. Maggagawa ako. I want to over-deliver kasi naniniwala talaga ako sa kayang-kaya to ng mga Filipino. Determination lang. Okay. And willingness lang talaga. Okay. Now, if you're ready, paano kaya i-evaluate sa tech team that is everyone seems to be very enthusiastic and everyone seems to be very interactive. So may problema yung tech team ngayon kung paano siya pipili ng tatlong bibigyan ko ng bonus mamaya. Okay. The goal of this event, ito na guys, ito yung pinaka-content. The goal is to this event is to learn forex trading within 30 days. Okay, nakita niyo naman si owner kanina 30 days kumita na siya. And to earn at least 200 in just 30 days. Is that doable? Nakita niyo yung testimony kanina, almost 2,000 niya sa kanya. Ibig sabihin, may nakakuha. Ibig sabihin, pwede mo ring makuha. But ang question this one is, sinong game? Sinong game? Game? 200 lang. 200 lang, very attainable. Bakit 200 lang? Kasi ang gusto lang natin i-develop dito is yung winning strategy mo. Yung winning culture mo, yung winning habit mo. Once ma-develop natin yan, kung kaya mong kumita ng 200, kaya mong kumita ng 500, kaya mong kumita ng 1,000. We just need to develop it. Okay, game. Okay, that's the goal. Again, 30 days, and then marunong mag-forex trading. Even if zero knowledge, ulitin ko, zero knowledge, totally beginner, walang idea, no problem. Okay, no problem. Okay, here's the secret why. And this one, hindi ko pa ginawa ito before. Here's the secret why you will truly learn and become profitable. Okay. For almost 1 year in coaching forex trading, pero matagal na ako sa forex trading since 2017, and I've been also a business coach and a financial consultant for almost 10 years na rin. I realized that ito yung kailangan. 4 na bagay na kailangan para yung isang estudyanteng matuto. Okay, isang estudyanteng matuto, at ito yung gagawin natin ngayon na hindi ko pa ginagawa before. Okay. Number 1 is someone will teach you. Yes, you can learn from YouTube, but the idea there, ang concept doon is very complex, overwhelming. Tama? Very overwhelming, very complicated. So, but if someone will teach you, you will learn. And not only that, someone will show you. Ibig sabihin, ituturo namin sa inyo, ipapakita namin sa inyo actual kung anong dapat gawin. Dito, pindutin mo, ito, pindutin mo. Hindi malink yung MT5, ito pindutin mo. Lahat. May mga video tutorials, live Zoom events, ipapakita natin. Lahat. Someone will show you. And not only that, someone will guide you. Okay, you learn, and then you start. And then when you start, naguguluhan ka. Eh, bakit? Bakit? Just like earlier ago, daming, Coach, bakit hindi gumagalaw yung chart ko? Sabi ko, bro, relax. It's weekend. Walang trade ngayon. So, lahat ng trade nakapos. So, ganyan, someone will guide you. Ay, na-stuck ako dito. Anong dapat gawin? So, we will guide you kung anong gagawin niyo. We will have an exclusive GC and Telegram. For that, you can share, you can ask, ipapakita namin sa inyo kung saan ka na-stuck, saan ka naguguluhan, nandito kami para sa inyo. Alright? Copy? And number 4 is, someone will equip you. We're not only to teach you, well, not only to show you, well, not only to guide you, but we will equip you with the right strategy. Kasi, mahirap kung mag-create ka ng, magdi-discover ka pa ng strategy mo. It will take a lot of time and it will take a lot of capital. Trust me. I've been there. Okay. It will take a lot of capital and it will take a lot of time. Kaya yun yung gagawin namin. So we will teach you, we will show it to you, we will guide you in the whole duration of 30 days. However, this is a 30-day challenge. Yes, you will burn your capital kung hindi mo alam. Okay. Excited na talaga. God is good. 30 days. Guys, 30 days. Bakit mahirap sa akin ito? Unang-una, hindi po madali magturo. Kasi usually pag mga newbies, makukulit, hindi techie, ganyan. But okay lang, passion ko naman yung pagtuturo. Pangalawa, 30 days of my commitment ibibigay ko sa inyo. 30 days of my commitment ibibigay ko sa inyo. I'm busy, I have a family, I have a business, and so on. However, okay, again, balik tayo sa goal. The goal is to learn in Forex trading within 30 days. As simple as that. Ano ba yung timeline sa patuto sa Forex trading? Ang pag-aaral sa Forex trading at hindi easy. Sometimes we learn, some people learn 6 months, 3 months, some even people learn 2 years. Ako, I learned in years para naging profitable ako. But here, since someone will teach you, will show you, will guide you, and will equip you, we are confident na within 30 days, if you follow our program, we are confident na marunong ka na talagang mag-trade. Na we are confident na kikita ka na for at least sa 200 USD in just 30 days. Kayang-kaya. Yeah, I like that attitude. Well, our audience tonight are so optimistic and very positive. I like that. Okay. Very achievable. Okay. So, this is a 30-day trading challenge from zero to profitable. Yes, I know may mga tao na dito na marunong nang mag-trade. Okay. Fair, good enough. But if you want to join, yes, you want to still join for the strategy. Or you want to join because you want to help. At least kung hindi man ako mag-reply, someone na may alam na makapag-reply na, bro, itong gawin mo sa MT5, ito lang i-click mo, then you're good to go. Okay. The one team, one goal. I like this one. We are making a community here. So this is a challenge built to take step by step from basic to beginning a confident and profitable trade. Step by step talaga. Actually, this is designed is zero. Coach, wala akong alam talaga, hindi ko pa na-try to, walang problema. This program is designed for zero knowledge, like you. Copy. I am too fast? Mabilis ba ako? Or the pacing is still okay? Okay, later on, I'll ask and entertain questions, okay? So guys, welcome for the very first time gagawin natin sa community. From zero knowledge to profitable trader, tinatawag nating Hero 30. Hero 30, 30-day challenge in Forex trading. Who's challenge? Who's game with the challenge? Okay. Who want to accept the challenge and who wants to challenge themselves? Guys, this is not about me actually. this is about you. Kasi kung marunong ka na sa forex trading, just like sa nag-testimony kanina na si Honor na, let's just say kumita siya ng 1,000 to 2,000 extra in 1 month. USD ang pinag-uusapan natin dito. Okay? So, okay. We're good to go. So, ito yung mangyayari dyan. The format, 2 to 3 live sessions per week. So, 2 live sessions, 2 to 3 per week. Mostly Wednesday, Saturday, announce lang namin. And then, 2 sessions dyan at 3 dyan is yung parang coaching. Wala akong gagawin. Titingnan ko lang yung mga setup nyo, saan kayo magkamali. I-guide ko lang kayo. Alright? And then, 4 weeks, lahat guided, learning and hand-on-hand. And the total power sessions of 10 to 12 power pack sessions, not including the group coaching. Group coaching is wala akong gagawin, hindi ako magsasalita, hindi ako magti-train, hindi ako magagawa ng module. Titingnan ko lang kung ano yung mga problema ninyo at isusolve ko lang para everyone can move forward. Do you like it so far? And then within, halimbawa, may sessions tonight. Within the next 24 hours, automatic yan. Lahat ng sessions naka-record yan. Ibabagsak namin sa GC para you can review. I understand that some of the OFW are busy and sometimes yung time nila hindi mag-fit sa time natin. But don't worry. Kasi lahat ng sessions may record yan. Within 24 hours, ilalagay na namin yung record para ma-follow through ninyo. Alright? Copy? Copy. So who's game? Who's ready for that? Who's willing? Who's willing? Who's willing? Who want to accept that challenge? Can you type, I accept the challenge? Game Tech Team? Parang ang hirap mamili ng 3 At kasama yung kanina. Guys, of course, it comes with a price. Greatness comes with a price. Hindi po madali yung ginagawa natin. At hindi po madali yung 1 month ko na i-commit po para sa inyo and sa mga coaches na rin natutulong. But is it rewarding? Yes. It is life-changing. Now, bago yung takbo ng financial ko. By the way, guys, did I mention that when I started, one of my goal is makabayad lang ng utang? Did I mention? Or is that your goal na pwede natin gawin ito dahil gusto lang natin magkaroon ng peace of mind para wala na tayong iisipin, magkaroon tayo ng extra income para makabayad tayo ng utang? Who's with me with that? Parang sa dami na ng message, hindi ko na maano lahat mababa. Okay. 458 message na hindi ko nabasa. Amazing. Amazing. You're almost end, guys. It comes with a price. It comes with a price. Correct. Bayaran lang natin yung utang natin and then we're good to go. Okay. Don't worry, guys. Hindi ka nag-iisa. Okay. Para lang maka-relax lang yung utak natin. It comes with a price. So, eto na ngayon yung magkano. Ito na ngayon yung magkano. Guys, to give you an idea, I attend a Forex workshop. I paid $599 or 30,000 plus for a 3-day workshop. 3 araw lang. And after 3 days, wala nang coaches na mag-guide sa akin. Wala nang mentor na mag-guide sa akin. After 3 days, nalilito ako, saan ako magsimula? Kasi lahat nilagay na. Lahat binigay na nila. Okay? 3 days, guys, the cost is $599. What if I tell you, this will cost again $599, pero hindi 3 days. 30 days kang tuturuan. Are you willing? Are you willing? Ngayon, medyo humina na yung chat natin or yung internet ko. Are you still willing? Yes, $599 USD. Guys, magkanong kinita ni Sir Honor? Ganda ng pangalan, no? Honor. Magkanong kinita niya yung natuto niya sa forex trading? Around 2,000. Ibig sabihin, pwede pala na in less than a month, bawi na. Okay? Bawi na. Willing. Thank you so much sa mga willing. I know you're a risk taker and I know you're an entrepreneur talaga because you're willing to pay the price. Isa yan sa mga sikreto ng sa pagiging successful. Willing to pay the price. But wait, I know marami kayong pera, pwede kayong magbayad ng 599. But wait, pwede ko bang bibigyan ko kayo ng discount? Is it okay if I will give you discount? Welling. I like the spelling. I'm welling. Okay lang ba na instead of 599 yung babayaran nyo, 30 days guys, sa 30 days. Ako nagbayad ako. 599, 3 days lang. Eto 30 days kang tuturuan. Okay lang ba na magbibigay ako ng discount sa inyo? So instead of 599, gagawin ko na lang, so we cross out the 599. Ibig sabihin hindi na 599. Remember guys, this is intensive and comprehensive Forex training from zero knowledge. Kung nakuha ng iba na hindi intensive pa yung tinuro namin, hindi pa yung comprehensive, mas makuha nyo. Mas makuha nyo. Okay, mas makuha. And some are guessing with the price. Thank you so much. But guys, as Hero 30 Forex, it's not easy. Okay, ito na lang guys, ito na lang. Gagawin ko na lang 400. At least may konting discount around 199. Okay, 199. Ayos pa ba? Ayos pa? Guys, hindi pwedeng libre. As much as possible, I want to give it for you for free. I want you also to do your part. Kaya hindi ito para sa lahat. Para lang po ito talaga sa seryoso. Para lang po ito talaga sa gustong. Hindi rin pwedeng libre guys, mahirap. Alam niyo ba kung gaano kalaki yung nasunog ko para matuto at ibigay yung strategy na ito sa inyo? At hindi rin madali talaga. Kaya may cost talaga. And the cost also shows kung sino talaga dito yung interested. Kung sino talaga dito yung willing talaga na kumita sa Forex trading. Okay? So you're willing ba 400? More. Okay, may nagsabi dito more discount. More discount. But of course, they're still willing. Okay. More discount. How about, also we crossed the 400. Okay. How about 50% off of the 400? Register na kayo. 50% off of the 400. Diba? Okay na ba? Remember guys, remember. Okay. Okay. Ito muna gagawin natin. Makinig muna kayo. 1 week foundation and setup. So first week po, we'll talk about Forex one-on-one, understanding Forex trading, pairs, currency, setups ng types of traders, everything sa MT5 na nagmaguguluhan kayo, everything doon, and then trade execution and the new tools, lahat. Naguguluhan ka kayong pipindutin. First week na lang, tapusin na natin yan. Kunin na natin yan. Okay, kunin na natin yan. Habang yung iba, nag-bargain pa ng discount. Second week, pag-usapan natin yung reading charts. Sabi na kanina ni Honor, huwag niyong i-disregard yung charts. Guys, we are doing manual trading here. Tayo mismo yung magti-trade. Intindihan natin yung chart and this is more on the technical analysis na. Trade execution, risk controls. We will talk about support and resistance, indicators. We will talk about candlesticks. We will talk about patterns and everything with this session. Second week. Third week, we talk about more on technical analysis and building strategies and confluences. And we'll talk about introduction to scalping. Okay, our community is more on scalping. But eventually, if you want to go for swing or day trade, you can develop, you can start from here. Scalping kasi yung normally talaga. Okay. So, third week na tayo plus group coaching again. So, fourth week, mindset of profitable traders, scalping strategy. Mayroon akong 2 bonus guys na ibibigay sa inyo. XAU Sniper. Kung sino dito medyo matagal na sa grupo, nakita lang, XAU Sniper. XAU Sniper, that is strategy that I developed using some indicators and tools para mataas yung high precision na strategy mo. So this is more on gold strategy. And also I have a surprise strategy na hindi ko muna ibibigay ngayon kasi nga surprise. But I promise you, I will give you 2 to 3 bonus. Ang bonus na ito is strategy. Okay, strategy. Hindi kasama yung Manara dito sa strategy. This is pure manual. The goal of this one is after 1 month, manunong ka na talaga. Even without Manara, without signal. Guys, please don't rely on signals. Walang successful traders na nagre-rely on signals. Ano na kayo? This is transparent. Okay, tatapatin ko na kayo. Rely on your technical analysis, your chart and everything and skill that you develop, including your mastering psychology. Okay, balik tayo sa bargain. Okay, so from 599 USD, magiging 400 na, ika-crash pa natin. Tapos bibigyan pa natin ng discount 200 USD na lang. Sino dito willing mag-enroll? I just want to, kasi guys, after this one, enrollment na, and please take note, this is limited. Hindi po ito para sa lahat. Guys, kung masyado kayong marami, ang hirap i-control, ang hirap dalhin. Pero kaya lang, mayroon tayong Zoom, and then mayroon tayong exclusive Telegram, na lahat pwede doon. Okay, lahat pwede doon. But this is not for everyone. Pabilisan lang to. Limited lang po ito, hindi po para sa lahat. Okay, mayroon po itong time when you enroll, when natin i-close yung enrollment. Okay, i-close natin yung enrollment soon. Kasi this is really for those, di ba yung opportunity kung sino yung gusto i-grab lang. Kung sinong gustong kumuha lang, siya lang. Okay. So, eto na. Exciting news. One more exciting news and then I will close. I promise. One more exciting. Sino dito one more exciting news? Guys, so mga VIP, don't worry. I have a very good surprise for you. But after this one, magbibigay ako ng video, isasend ko sa VIP na mga GC. Doon yung bonus, parang bonus gift. Sabihin na natin gift. Gift ko sa inyo if you want to join this 30-day challenge. You have you in my heart, don't worry. Mayroon na kayong, may portion na kayo. Kung sa Bisaya, panana kay bahin. Naka-appeal na mga VIP ani. Alright? So last 2 slides and then we are good to go. Okay, we're good to go. So sa mga VIP, walang kukurap lang muna. This is for those hindi pa VIP, okay? And sa mga VIP, mayroon akong special na bonus sa inyo. Doon ko na lang i-announce sa VIP GC. Okay. Okay, one more and then we're out. I'm out. Okay. So, like again, 30-day coaching, ibibigay namin the best na pwede kong ibibigay. Mag-over-deliver ako talaga. Ibibigay ko yung the best na pwede kong mabigay. And then, ikaw na depende na sa part mo kung ano yung part mo. Okay. So, walang 599, walang 400, walang 200. Ay! Nasabi ko, 200 sana. Nasabi ko na walang 200. Okay? Guys, like I said, hindi ito free, promise. It's not free. Success is not free. Okay? And then it's not easy. Please consider na rin. Nasabi ko na walang 200. So guys, listen. Itong next na promo na ibibigay ko sa inyo. Okay? Magbibigay ako ng enrollment form or si Coach MJ's enrollment form sa mga GC. This is only for 24 hours. Uulitin ko. This is for the first 50. 30 sana, pero 50 na lang kasi ang dami natin. First 50 you enroll and within 24 hours, we will close. Maybe we will open but a different price. Okay, maybe we will open but at a different price. Yes, GCash meron. Okay. Ulitin ko. Maybe we will open but at a different price. This price na ibibigay ko sa iyo parang libre na lang. But of course, yun nga, success is not free. It always comes with a price. It always comes with a price. Okay. But eto na, wala kang nakakita sa ganito kamura na halaga, tuturuan ka step by step. Remember, I will teach you. I will show it to you. I will guide you and I will equip you for 30 days. Forget about libre, guys. Walang naging successful sa libre. Okay? Okay. But here comes. I will give you the best price I can give you. But you need to be quick. But this is only within 24 hours your enrollment or the first 30. Then after that, we will close. Copy. Copy ba tayo dyan? Now, are you ready to reveal? Ready na ba kayo na i-reveal ko yung next na pinaka? Paano kaya ito i-compute sa tech team kung sino yung pinaka-interactive talaga? Kasi ang tatlong interactive na makukuha ko guys, bibigyan ko ito, i-enroll ko dito, magiging scholar siya, magiging libre. Magiging libre. Yung tatlo, at yung isa kanina, Coach MJ, yung isa kanina na nag-participate, libre sila. Pero kaya lang, binibigyan niyo yung problema yung tech team kasi sa dami nang nagpa-participate. Okay. Ito na guys, ito na. Last na lang, and we're hindi na siya 200. Uulitin ko, first 50 enrolled or within 24 hours. So that means below 200, but mayroon siyang twist, kailangan mag-enroll ka within 24 hours. Can you type 24 hours? Can someone type 24 hours? 24 hours, mabilis to. Sino yung man nauna? Parang gusto kong bigyan ng bonus yung nauna. Nang nauna si Randy. Randy Asaido. Coach MJ, can you select Randy Asaido as one of the three na bibigyan ko ng parusa, ayuda. Okay. Parusa, hindi pala parusa. Okay, bibigyan ko ng bonus. Okay, bonus. Okay, guys, ililibre ko, gagawin kong scholar. Okay. Now, are you ready? Huwag mo na kayong mag-type para malaman nyo kung ano. Grabe kasi kayo mag-type. Okay, eto na. Last deal. Okay. In the next 24 hours, di ba? First 30 student, but I feel na sobra ito sa 30 talaga. So, first 50 student na lang. In the next 24 hours or first 50 students. Mabilisan lang ito. Right after this one, bibigay namin yung link sa mga GC tapos enroll kayo kaagad. Okay? Enroll kayo kaagad. Mabilisan lang ito. In the next 24 hours, ito na lang yung babayaran nyo. Hindi 599. Hindi guys, imagine ha, 30 days kayong tuturuan, group coaching. Hindi 400, hindi 200, magkano na lang. Guys, sa halagang, in the next 24 hours, oo nga, nakuha na namin yan. Okay, sa halagang 99 USD only or 5,500. Murang-mura, parang libre na lang. But the quality, the equivalent of the training na makukuha mo, it's like nagbabayad ka ng 599. Plus, doon sa GC na yun, kapag ka nag-enroll ka, we will give you a separate exclusive GC sa Telegram. Yung membership mo dyan is lifetime na. You don't need to review every month. Lifetime nandyan yung mga bagong strategies na makukuha ko, magtatanong kayo, although more than 1 month na tutulungan ko pa rin kayo. You don't need to renew every month. Lifetime na yon. Okay? I know everyone is excited. Okay? I think the countdown for 24 hours starts now. Tomorrow at exactly 11:55 p.m. and PH time. Or kung naabot na yung 50, i-close na natin yung enrollment. Guys, please understand. Uulitin ko. I attend at training. 3 days lang. Ang binayaran ko, 599. 3 days lang. After 3 days, hindi ko alam kung anong gagawin ko. After 3 days, hindi ko alam kung sino magko-coach sa akin. Na-overwhelmed ako sa daming natutunan ko. But guys, for only 99 USD or 5,500 in peso, 30 days kang tuturuan sa forex trading. I think we're done. Binigay na namin yung part namin, binigay na namin yung offer namin para matulungan sa inyo. Now, ang next dito, ang question ko is, are you ready for your financial success? Ready ka na bang kumita? Ready ka na matuto sa forex trading? Kasi uulitin ko, this is not about you, or this is not about me, but this is about you. Thank you so much. I'll give you the floor to Coach, I think Coach Marge, kung sino man. And if you have some question, guys, I'll entertain.
Ayun! Wow, grabe. Thank you so much, Coach Nars, sa pabonus. Wala bang palakpak dyan? Grabe yung ating pabonus. Thank you so much, Coach Nars. Grabe yung iba dito. Na-excite na. Sabog yung inbox ko. Kung
By the way,
magkano
coach,
saan
pwede
daw
picture
mag-enroll.
taking, picture taking pala.
Nawala po yung mic nyo po, coach.
Ah,
Ay, picture taking muna. Okay.
yeah,
Guys,
picture
picture
taking.
taking
Picture
muna.
taking.
Okay po. Sige po. Before tayo mag-end pala guys, no, wag munang mag-leave. Picture taking muna kasi may announcement pa.
So while nag-picture guys, how you enroll sa mga GCs, kung where kayo, maglalagay kami doon ng mga form, Google form kung paano mag-enroll. Okay? Ulitin ko, within 24 hours lang.
Okay, smile
Okay,
po.
Cam.
Okay, 3, 2, 1. Okay, Coach Nars, smile coach. 3, 2, 1. Okay, thank you so much, Coach Nars. Okay, anyway po, before we end, okay, meron na po akong i-announce na 3 winners. Okay, we are so fortunate kasi sobrang generous po ng ating founder dito sa ating community. Kapag tatawagin ko yung pangalan ng winner tapos wala po dito, forfeited agad. Okay ba tayo doon kung nag-leave siya agad? Okay, goodbye. Okay, first winner. Ayun, meron pa tayong pa-drum roll dyan. Grabe, $100 free yun guys, ha? Ayun. Okay, first winner ay yung si Sir Empoy. Ayun, grabe si Sir Empoy. Okay? Yan na po yung prize nyo po, Sir Empoy. Next winner would be... Ten-ten-ten! Ako na lang yung mag-drum roll. Congratulations to Ma'am Jandy Asyado. Ayun. Picture mo na, Ma'am Jandy. Ayun. 3, 2, 1. Okay. Thank you so much. Napicturean ba yun, Coach? Okay. Next, we have here. Last, merong isa. Last winner. Last winner is... Kailangan mag-open cam. Ayun. Kailangan mag-open cam. Okay, congratulations to Let. Ayun! Wow, these are all you lucky winners for tonight. Ayun, congratulations. And
Coach, meron pang isa kasi yung nauna kanina hindi kasama sa 3.
ayun, meron pa palang isa kasi actually may isa talaga ako dito, coach.
Thank you.
Ayun. Congratulations to Okay, kailangan po hindi member or I mean VIP. Pero I think hindi siya VIP. Hopefully. Okay, congratulations to Peter. Saan si Peter? Pa-on cam para makita natin si Peter. Wow! Ayun, Sir Peter, hindi po kayo VIP, right? Hindi? Hindi. Okay. Ayun.
Hindi pa po. Hindi pa po.
Hindi pa. Ayun, congratulations, Sir Peter. Parang nakapaghanda po kayo ngayong gabi. Ang ganda po ng hairstyle ninyo. Yan po, sir, yung iyong lucky charm. Congratulations. So, our winners for tonight, we have Sir Empoy. Okay, kindly message us si Ma'am Jandy, si Ma'am Let, and also Sir Peter. Okay? And of course, before we end guys, Coach MJ will send sa lahat ng mga GCs natin sa form. So, Coach MJ, pwede po pa pakita dito sa screen. Ito po yung sample ng ating form. Okay. Guys, importante po na ma-fill up po ninyo ng mabuti yung ating form. Kasi hindi po siya magpo-proceed kapag hindi po tama yung ating pag-fill up. And of course, first 50 lang po yung ating first 24 hours. Sorry. First 50 for the 24 hours yung makapag-credit ng 100 USD. And beyond that, 200 na po. Okay, so this is our form. Parang medyo blurred ba or sa akin lang to blurred? Okay lang? Okay, so you need to fill up the name. Okay, again, and then the email here, your Facebook account, Facebook name, okay, and your sponsor. So, yung coach po, yung sponsor or yung coach na nag-add sa inyo sa group chat. And then, yung GCash, kapag nag-send na po kami, i-insert nyo po dito yung file. Okay, ito po yung ating GCash. So dito po, add file. Meron bang credit card? Wala pa tayong credit card po. Okay, so we have GCash. Ayun. Ayun, so for the VIPs, stay tuned lang po kasi meron po tayong pabonus sa GC lang po natin. Okay, so thank you so much everyone. Thank you po. Maraming salamat sa mga andito. Happy time zone and congratulations again sa mga winners. Hopefully, magmi-meet na tayo sa ating Hero 30 session. Ayun. Thank you so much. God bless us all. Mayong gabi sa tanan. Good night everyone. Good night, good night. Thank you so much. Thank you po.